Hey my friend, welcome to the fast start training of the residual income system. In this video, I want you to pay very close attention. If for some reason you have not enrolled yet, make sure click the enroll button. That will bring you over to the This Is Not MLM sign up page. What you want to do is you want to make sure you watch that video. Now, even if you are already an MLM member, you want to pay close attention because you're going to get access to a marketing system which is going to allow you to duplicate these kind of results. Now, in my first 7 days, I've been able to sign up over 35 members and we haven't even launched this system. Now, what I want to do before we even get started is you're watching this video. If you haven't signed up yet, pause this video, click the button below, go through the sign up process, create your account, right? Make sure you don't use a Hotmail or an AOL, use a Gmail, right? You want to have a nice Gmail account. That's what works, okay? Once you have watched this video, you want to go ahead and you want to pay your monthly admin fee. Once you watch that video, you're going to get redirected over to the admin fee training page. All right. So once you have paid your admin fee, you're going to get login information. The login information is going to go to the email address that you signed up with. Make sure you use the same email address throughout the entire process or your system will not work. Okay. So once you have logged into your back office, first things first, what I want you to do is I want you to look at the date. All right. As of filming this video, it's Tuesday, okay? So if you were watching this video on a Tuesday, you would not want to promote your affiliate link and you would not want to pay your weekly membership fee. What you would want to do is you would want to watch the Should You Pay on Wednesday or Friday video. Now, why does this happen? Why is this important? So I'm just gonna pull up the document here. So you want to pay on Wednesday your weekly fee, $25, okay? So every Wednesday you want to pay your $25 weekly fee. What this is going to do, this is going to allow you to put in your PayPal link, all right? I'm going to walk you through the process of getting your PayPal link here in a minute. Vic is also going to do that inside of the training, but I'm going to show you in this video as well. So you're going to get your own PayPal link, and that's going to allow you to earn commissions, earn 100% commissions on the membership fee, on the weekly membership fee. So you're going to earn 100% commissions on every single person that signs up. So what you want to make sure that you do is you want to watch this video, right? And you want to watch the Should You Pay on Wednesday or Friday. And then you want to follow Vic's training and run the Facebook auto script for a couple days. You want to grow your Facebook profile, right? If we go over to my Facebook profile, as you guys see here, you know, the engagement I'm getting on some of these posts, some of them work better than others, but the main goal is consistency. And that's how I've been able to get all these leads, right? So this one video got 80 views, right? This one post got like 17 or 18 leads. So all I'm doing is following, let me just pull back, following the training in the back office of This Is Not MLM and promoting my affiliate link, right? So two things that you want to make sure you do again. Let's jump back over to the notepad. You want to pay your monthly $25 and you want to, right? So you want to pay on Wednesday for your weekly fee and you want to pay your monthly fee. You want to make sure that these two are both checked off. Now what we want to do, we're going to go into PayPal and I'm going to show you how to get your PayPal link so that you can get paid instantly into your PayPal account. Selling this membership site as your own membership site. Okay, to get your PayPal button link, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to PayPal. If you already have an account, perfect. You're going to want to set up an account, and then you're going to want to make sure that your account is a business account. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on Tools and go to All Tools. Then you're going to want to scroll to the bottom and you're going to want to click on PayPal buttons. So when you go to set up a button, what you're going to want to do, let's just change this. There we go. So you're going to want to set up a name for it. Then you're going to want to enter the price. Make sure the currency is US dollars, 25.00, $25 USD. Then you want to scroll through, leave everything unchecked. You can click on Use My Secure Merchant Account. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up Customize Advanced Features. And then you want to scroll to the bottom here and you want to post in your post in the URL that is in the back office. So in the back office every week, this URL is going to change. Once you pay your membership fee, now the reason I'm filming this on a Tuesday is because, you know, tonight this is going to change. So I'm not really worried about showing it. But what you're going to do is every time you pay your membership fee, this is going to update. You're going to need to copy this link every single week, right? You want to make sure every single week when you pay your membership fee, you come back to this button and you change out the URL. Okay, you want to make sure that you change out the URL and then you want to click on Save Changes. Okay, I can't stress that enough because if you don't, you're going to get a lot of angry customers that are messaging you saying, hey, my login information doesn't work because you did something wrong and you didn't change the code. Okay, so then when you're going to put your new pay link into the back office, what you want to do is you want to, once you've saved your button, you want to click on email and you want to copy this link here, right? You don't want to click, don't do the website one because your thing will be broken. You want to click on email, you want to copy this, right? And then you're going to go back into your This Is Not MLM back office and you're going to paste in your pay link right there. Okay, so you're going to paste in your pay link and then you're just going to click update. You're going to do that once every week. So every Wednesday, right, you want to, update your customer redirect link for your button. Okay, every week. Then what you want to do is you want to paste in your pay link once you've saved it. It's going to be the same pay link every single week. This is not going to change. So for me, I know my code, is XJRE, right? So I know this is my code. So as long as this is always the same, I don't have to go back and change it. I know my button's working. But say you forgot to pay on, you didn't pay on Wednesday and you messed up or whatever. You want to make sure you pay on Wednesday, right? But you just want to make sure your link is properly set up. So go through that. Let me just do a quick little recap. So you want to make sure you pay your weekly fees on Wednesday. So we're on the Fast Start Training page. When you click this button, you're going to come to the setup page. You want to watch this entire video, go through the sign up process. Vic lays it out super simple. Then you're going to get access to your back office. You want to check the date, right? If it's a Monday or a Tuesday or even a Sunday, right? Wait till the Wednesday to make your weekly membership fee, right? That's going to allow you to get set up at a smooth rate so you don't have to pay your weekly membership fee in 3 days, right? What you should do, say it's Sunday and you sign up, what you should do is you should not promote this, right? You should run the Facebook auto script. And if you click on the Facebook auto script, that's going to show you a video. What that's going to do, that's going to allow you to grow your Facebook profile. If we look at my profile, look here, I got another person asking for info. But as you guys see here, 3,900 friends. When I started this business, I was at about 2,600 friends or something like that. What you want to make sure you do is you want to go through, set everything up, And then come Wednesday, right? Come Wednesday at about 12 Eastern time. I pay mine very early because obviously you guys are all watching my training, so I want to make sure that I, being the first person to pay, I want to make sure my links are all set up properly for you guys. So make sure pay on Wednesday. That's going to give you access to the new membership site, and that's going to give you access to our weekly trainings. So speaking of weekly trainings, we do have one coming up here actually in about 20 minutes. So I'm going to end this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that inside of this group or inside of this page, you join the private Facebook group. Okay, this is where you're going to get private access to me. You're going to be able to, ask any questions that you have. I'm going to be there to help you. So make sure you join the private Facebook group and then check out the bonuses page as well. I'm going to show you, how to start building an email list, how to profit with an email list, how to start filming videos if that's something you want to do. Lots of, cool trainings and stuff like that. So definitely, guys, go through, rewatch this video if you have to, and I'll see you guys in the system setup training page.